Okay, this is Kimmy the Juice Life Part 2. There's a freaking stork. Look at the stork. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at him hunting. Ah, he got something. Oh boy. Look at him. Look at that. There's a freaking stork here in the Midwest. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. They're not even supposed to be here. They're supposed to be in Florida. What is happening right now? Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I knew I wasn't tripping when I saw it. The first one like 2 years ago fly over my head. Look at it. I can't wait to show this to my dad. He's gonna love this. Oh boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at him walk. This is amazing. I can't believe I'm getting this. He's hunting for some food. Look at him walk through the water. All stealth-like. He's like, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get something, he said. He's trying to catch him some food. He's like, what's that over there? Oh, he's like, I hear something. That's freaking awesome. I'm sorry. Maybe somebody else doesn't find this interesting, but I love animals and nature. My dad had us growing up watching stuff on TV like this. Look at him walk. Look at him walk. You better strut. You better stretch your stuff. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Did he get some? He got something. Buddy got something. He said, I got me something. He just gobbled it on down. He said, I got me something. I see you, buddy. Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, bud. Hey. Yeah, handsome man. I see you. You better stretch your stuff. Ooh, oh, he's going quick. Oh. He's like, gotta be more quicker. Oh. He's going in for the kill. The quick kill. Wait a minute. He's like, hold on. Wait, okay. That's amazing. That is amazing. I think he sees something. Wait. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on. He's thinking about it. He's hunting. He's hunting. And when he finds his prey, he will go in for the kill. He'll go in for the kill. Not 1 second before, not 1 second after. Oh goodness. I could sit here and watch this thing all day. Seriously. I want to see him fly. I saw him come down in the water. That's how I saw it. I was like, that ain't no duck. Wait a minute, what is that? That's so cool. Uh-oh, where's he going? Uh-oh, there he goes. I think he saw something. There he goes. Da-da-da-da. 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 Uh-oh. Look at him sticking his neck all the way up. Hold on, he's like, I think I see something up in that grass. Hold on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's coming at me. Wait a minute. He's like, nah. I don't see nothing over there. Ooh. Wait, what's over there? Look, it's so beautiful. That is a beautiful bird. I'm sorry. Y'all. Can't nobody tell me nothing different. If I was gonna be a bird, I'd be a freaking stork. I think it's a stork. I think it's a stork. That is not a duck. No, that is not a duck. That's some kind of stork. Look at its neck. That's some kind of bird that drops off babies. Look at it. I've never seen a bird like that. That's a bird that should not be here. That's a bird that should be like in Florida or something. Some kind of evolved stork or something. It should not be here. That's not a bird that's indigenous to the Midwest. I'm sorry. It's not a duck. The way that it's moving through the water, it's not a duck. And its wingspan is just ridiculously huge. It's not a goose. It can't be a goose. I don't know. Look at its neck. Look. Look at that. Look at that. That's not a... Yeah. It's gotta be a stork. Yeah. The one that dropped off the babies in Dumbo. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna ask my dad. Gotta confirm, but... Look at how he's moving. I'm cracking up though. He's like, I'ma get you today. Uh-oh, he's going down lower. It's like he's going downstairs. I'm done. Look at him. He's about to go in for the quick kill. 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 The quick I'm done. I'm done. I am too done. I'm done, y'all. Bro. He came back up, though. He came back. If that ain't grace, I don't know what grace is. You saw how graceful that bird just went down and came back up in the deep end. Uh-oh. He moves like a snake. Oh. Okay, Quasimodo. My angels told me I needed to connect with the animals this week. Oh, there's a hummingbird. Sidebar. Hey, honey. Hey, hummy. Hey. I'm I'm just loving it out here. Oh my God. I cannot. Back to you. Okay, what you doing over here, buddy? Buddy, what you doing over here? You really hunting? He is hunting for real. He's like, I'm not going to stop until I find what I came here for. Food. I'm still eating. I've been flying all day. I'm hungry. He sees something he wants. It must be a big one. He's got his eye on something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but he's got his eye on something. He's been sitting there for a minute, but these bugs are, I didn't put no bug spray on. Oh, hey, butterfly. Hey. Hey. Uh-oh. Where is he? He's on the move. Uh-oh. There he goes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's going. Uh-oh. This is awesome. Uh-oh. No, this is freaking awesome. I'm sorry. Like, I'm so close to this thing. Dude, I'm so close to this thing. Do you understand how close I am to this thing? He's right here. Oh my God. Like, I'm so close. Like, oh my God. Do you see that? Oh, the peñas in the maíz. From the day we arrived on the planet, that was, oh, he got him something. Oh my God, that's amazing. I'm done. I am done, okay? That's all I needed for the day. Give me the G's life, you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. That was amazing. Look at all the dragonflies. Look at all the dragonflies in my life, though. This has got to be a good sign. There's just turquoise dragonflies everywhere. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Look at all these dragonflies. Look, they're just dancing around me. Right where I was sitting. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue my walk. Oh God, that was amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. That was awesome. Did you see that bird? Oh my God. That just made my day. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching with me. That was amazing. That made my whole day. That made my whole week. That made all of August. Happy birthday, Leos. Okay? Go check out some of my other videos. Get out in nature. Walk, okay? Walk. Connect with nature. Connect with animals. That was so rewarding. Oh my God. I didn't even expect to see that today. Despite anything, that can make your day so much better. Oh my God. That was so amazing. Oh my God. I saw a freaking storm. And it flew for me. Butterflies flew around me. Dragonflies. What else do you need? What else do you need in life? Thank you, Lord. God did that. God did that. God did that for me. And I got to share it with all of you. Thank you, Lord. He knew. It's the little things in life that make me happy. No matter what's going on in your life, God will always send you something that will just brighten up your day. All right, you guys, have a good day. Bye.